This is the 18th of November. It's my father's birthday, I think. We're no good with birthday parties in my family. It's the 18th of November, and we're still on the topic of respect, and I'm going to keep it really, really short. And I have a couple of quotes here. Respect is for those who deserve it, not for those who demand it. And the other one is, treat people the way you want to be treated. Talk to people the way you want people to talk to you. Respect is earned, not given. I have not much else to say to you. Sometimes it can be really easy to show respect to somebody. So I just want you to think about that for 1 second. When is it easy to show respect? And sometimes it can be really difficult to show respect to somebody. And think about that for a second. So you have to earn it. And sometimes people might find it difficult to show you respect. Why? Now, today I spent 20 minutes upstairs looking out the classroom at a couple of yards just to see how things were getting on in the yard. And I have to say, it's fantastic. I think the way this COVID thing, it might change a few ways we operate in the school. But I couldn't get over the way the children were playing. It was second class and first class, and there was a senior class as well. How everybody was getting on so well. And it's all, each class, they're in their own bubble in school, in the classroom, and then when they go to the yard, they play together in the yard. And I have to say, it's a real joy and real pleasure to see how kids actually get on with each other because they show each other respect. So you earn it, okay? You can't demand it. You've got to treat people properly all times. So we treat people the way we want to be treated. And I just want to, for moms and dads, I found a great video, a great CD. David's out there making faces. I found a great YouTube. If you look up the Staple Singers and Respect, and it's a concert in Harlem. It is just brilliant. It will knock your socks off. And here's the start of it. If you can hear it. And it goes on, but it's about respect, okay? So, I'd also like to say those who celebrated Diwali last week, I hope you had a great weekend. And those who are celebrating Thanksgiving shortly, I hope you really enjoyed as well. It is very difficult with COVID, but you know what? We all have to get on with it. It's right across the whole world, and we just got to get on with it and enjoy it. So respect people, enjoy those. That's it. I have no more to say. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Respect. Rules should be followed without delay. Excuse me, please, and thank you are polite manners. Silence when other people are talking. Politeness is key. Every day is a new day to respect for others and the environment, care for others, and trust your friends.
Good job.
For yourself, educate people. Saying thank you is kind. Practice your manners. Every day is a new day to respect people, care for others, treat others like you want to be treated.
Excellent, good job.
Your parents, elders to obey. Set up your things, pack up your toys. Every day I did tidying. Care your things, teaches how to draw. Respect all
Rules.
E. Everyone kind. S.
Share.
Share.
P. Polite.
E equals C. Care. T. Teamwork.
Respect.
Yes, it. Responsible for yourself. Educate people. Sharing is caring. Politeness is the key. Excuse me, please, and thank you shows manners. Caring is important. Teamwork is the best.
Great job, well done.
Hello everybody. So from next Thursday we are going to be running our school's book fair. And I'm just going to do a little demo for all of you guys at home so that you can figure out how to do it. Okay, so first of all, I want you to bring up the Google web page as I have here. And then I want you to type in Tara Book Company. And you'll get that little suggestion there. So that'll bring up the Tara Book Company. So that's the book fair that we're going again this year. So if you select Tara Book Company, as I'm doing, it will bring up this website. Now, this is really, really, really important. When you bring up this website, the section that you select is this one over here, the online book fair. So you select Shop Now, and it will bring you to the book fair. Scroll down a little bit and select Shop Now again. And it will ask you to enter a password. The password for our school is 2026H. After you press submit, it brings up the book fair. And as I've said in the little letter that went out, in the little information section that went out on the newsletter, the book fair website is organized into lots of different categories. So you can filter the books by age, as you can see over here on the left-hand side, by age and by class. You can also filter the books by a variety of different categories. You can see here on the left-hand side, there are activity books, audio books, bargain books, beginner reader books, etc., etc., etc. When you find a book that you want to purchase, you select Add to Cart. If you want to choose another book, you may go ahead and choose another book. If not, you can proceed to checkout up here. Now, when it comes to placing your order, you need to select your school, okay? Now, our school is as of yet not on this list because the book fair isn't going to be live until next Thursday. But the reason why I'm showing you this right now is so that you have a chance over the weekend to check to see what books you might be interested in purchasing. So when the book fair goes live next Thursday, you will be able to select our school here. Then you will write in your name, you will provide your email address, and then your mum or dad, who will be filling out this form for you, will put in your name and your teacher's name. And then perhaps under the order notes, you could say what class you're in, for instance, so that it makes it easier for us to find you. Now, something that we're doing that's a little bit different this year. So ordinarily, for every 2 books that you guys bought, we got 1 free book for our school libraries. This year, what we've decided to do is to give you that free book. So every time you or your parents buy 2 books, the book fair will choose an appropriate text to give you for free. Okay, I hope that all makes sense, and thank you for listening.
Hey, goat, Monk is low. 3 hacker, rogue on letter. Who is say, cup on tay. Shot up, shan and butt. Jack, he's that Jack.
We say
Thank you, we say please.
we don't interrupt or tease. We don't argue,
We don't fuss.
listen when folks talk to us. Share our toys and take our turn. Manners are easy to learn. Ready? Go! Our pot, litterless lunches. We're keeping things clean. You know what I mean. With our food scraps, let's start thinking.
Maybe perhaps make one like me. We wrote you a song.
And it goes like this. Put paper in the bin, don't
Forget.
take home your rubbish, don't throw it. Let's reduce, reuse, Again. Put papers in the bin, don't